Hi guys, this is Amy Gage, your Pampered Chef Consultant, and I wanted to come talk to you about one of my favorite things, which is TasteBuds. So have you ever try to figure out what you're gonna have for dinner, you're tired of cooking the same old thing? Well, TasteBuds is the answer, okay? You will get meal inspiration delivered to your front door every single month. So TasteBuds comes in this package right to your house. And what it is, I'm gonna open it up. This is this month's subscription. What it is you get 3 sample seasoning packs and recipes on how to use those seasonings. And there's always a theme. So this month's theme is, it's September, so it's family favorites. Okay, family favorites. So there's a couple different recipes that are given to us. So let's take a look at what these seasonings are. Now, the packages are almost 2 ounces. So this is enough for 2 to 3 recipes. So it's a generous amount for you to really try. So this is our brand new Everything But the Bagel Seasoning, or Everything Bagel Seasoning. We have a special Rotisserie seasoning. This is fine ground seasoning so that it doesn't burn if you cook in the rotisserie, even baking, and especially in the air fryer. Our air fryer has a rotisserie function, so it's great for chicken. And then we have Everything But the Pizza seasoning. So this is pretty awesome. Here's the recipe cards that came with this month's subscription. So there is a recipe for pizza chili. Doesn't that look yummy? And then on the back of the card, it has the instructions on how to make it, but it also has swap outs, right? So there's a vegetarian option. You can add protein, different proteins, how you can make it more mild. It gives you suggestions on the back to alter the recipe. Then for the rotisserie seasoning, it's actually giving us a meatball sub recipe. So that looks really interesting. I'm interested in trying that one. And then, oh my goodness, I never would have thought of this. Everything Bagel Seasoning on mac and cheese. How good does that look? So every month you get these, and then you also get access to a special online TasteBuds Hub. It gives you even more ideas of how to use these seasonings. And then starting in September, we have a brand new option. September 17th, the 17th of every month through I think the end of the month, or for 10 days, it's an add-on marketplace is gonna be open and available to you. And that's where you can buy seasonings that you might like, that you sampled, and you can have them added to your next shipment. And shipping is included with the subscription, so you don't have to pay additional shipping. And not only are there gonna be seasonings available, but there's gonna be some key products that you can purchase as well and not have to pay shipping as long as you are a subscriber. So that's really awesome. And for September, this is on sale. You can get 20% off your subscription cost. There's a month-to-month subscription, a 3-month subscription, and a 6-month subscription. Your best option is the 3 or 6-month option because you'll get 20% off for the whole time. If you do month-to-month, you just get 20% off for the first month, but you are able to cancel at any time, and you can skip months. So if you're gonna be out of town, or you just have too much seasoning and you don't want the next month's shipment, just skip it. So I hope that you will try this subscription. It is one of my favorite things, and I'm so passionate about it. And if you are on my VIP group, you're gonna see me using these seasonings and this TasteBuds subscription all the time. So hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.